What's up guys, Mark Webb here. Just want to show you guys my setup. I'm riding a Total BMX frame. I'm a part owner of that company. We make this seat, which is the Union Jack seat. We call it the Brit seat because it represents Great Britain. Great place. Primo rim on the front, obviously rim on the back. Don't ask me why, it's a bike, it rides. We've got our hubs. Listen how loud that is. I love how noisy it is. I love the sound of it. I do love the sound. Colony pedals, boom. Lovely gold chain going on here. Shadow Conspiracy or something. I like a dirt tire on the front, like a bigger tire on the front. It reminds me of when I first started riding, you know, like just had a big chunky knobbly tire on the front, so definitely down with the fit tire on the front. And I run the KHE on the back. Snafu, props to Snafu. Don't like any other their stuff, but the gyros are good. Yeah, total bars, total forks, total frame. This is the Voltron signature. Yeah, I'm representing fans and Total BMX and myself while I'm out here in the States. That's about it really. Yeah, relentless.